In this video, I'm going to guide you how to change the theme in Shadcn from this to this, or this, and many others. If you are new to this channel, I'm OrcDev. I'm working as a web developer for 15 years already, and I'm ready to share all of my knowledge with you. If you have any questions for me, I'm always answering all the comments, and you also have a Discord channel with 100 plus people in there, and you have the invitation in the description below. We have here currently our Orcish full stack admin in Violet theme. And first we need to understand where are the colors coming from in Shadcn. So if we go to our code and we open our globals.css, we can see here our layer base root for the light mode and dark mode here, which we placed initially when we installed Shadcn. And everything is connected internally with Tailwind. So if we go to tailwindconfig.ts, we can see here exactly the same variables like in our global CSS. So for example, in the analytics page that we are checking out there, we can say here background primary, and we are going to get that same violet, here it is, like we have here for our chart. It's really a great thing to know that everything is connected, so you can use your theme colors instead. For example, red 500, here we could put destructive like this, and we're going to get red color from our project. And if we go to our global CSS and for dark mode here, we change our destructive color to something else, we are going to get that on the entire project and not only on the place where you placed background red 500, for example. And how do we then change our themes? If you have all of your brand colors and everything set and your project written in a good way, then you can just go to the Shadcn documentation right here, and you're going to the themes section and you choose your theme. So here I'm going to pick this yellow theme, for example, and I'm going to copy that code inside of my globals.css file. So here we have our layer base for our light mode and for our dark mode. So we're going to our globals.css. I'm replacing the whole layer base like this. We are going to our project inside here, and we have completely everything in yellow mode. So even like the hovers, the focus on buttons and everything looks totally different, and you have completely new theme. And great thing is that completely all the components that you use from Shadcn are going to get this theme. And also you can here customize if it's rounded or not, so you can choose your radius, and let's check that one how it looks. So I'm going to pick green and copy the code, and when we paste it in here inside of our globals.css, we are getting these squarey buttons and everything in that squarey design. And if you already have your designer and you have all the theme colors, you can just go inside the global CSS, ask for these colors from your designer and change them manually, and you're going to get a completely new theme with your own colors. I hope I helped you out with this one, warriors. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.